Okay, today I'm going to be doing some interesting experiments with my cousin Scott and my diathermy machine. Say hi, Scott.
Hi.
Okay, now I'm going to take an x-ray of my hand. This will be the first experiment. This is an intensifying screen in the color green. Anyway, here is our x-ray tube made by my friend Griffin G. Brock. He's 19 years old. He's patented this design. This x-ray tube right here uses one single electrode. It is a single aluminum electrode. It's powered by this diathermy machine from the 1930s, made by the AS Allo Company of St. Louis, Missouri. This machine pulls in a total of 660 watts, I believe. Let's see, 110 volts, 60 cycles at 6 amps. So 110 times 6. That's how many watts this diathermy machine will use at full power. So anyway, it's plugged in with our standard 1920s cord. I actually stole this off of my 1920s iron. Here's the end of the plug. It's just like the Back to the Future plug, clock tower. Anyway, so here's our x-ray tube. I have the bottom of this coil connected to the cauterizing terminal on the diathermy machine. So this will be our first experiment. Now we'll hit the lights. I'll turn this on. Actually, let's turn this on first, and then I'll take my x-ray of my hand. Can you see it up there? The bottom? Okay, so this part is recorded on my cousin Scott's phone. His phone is a little newer, but his photo processor works better, so y'all will be able to see this x-ray better, this live x-ray. So here I have a fork, and we'll also redo the hand x-ray, and y'all might be able to see that too. So here I have a fork. Here I have 4 linen napkins. I'm going to put this fork into these linen napkins. Then I'm going to put this into this box right here. Closing the box. Here's our intensifying screen. I'm going to put that right over the top of the box and just hold it like this. See? Okay, now we'll come over here and I'll turn off the kitchen lights first. Turn on the apparatus. And here we go. There's our fork. Now I'll put down this box and put my hand over there. You see the bone in my hand? So now my cousin Scott is going to help me with this experiment. Here I have an incandescent light bulb. I believe it's a 40-watt incandescent bulb. Tungsten filament. I have it in a pair of vice grips, so the vice grips is being the metal to touch the side. Here, where you come stand over here and then hold this, but where I can touch the bottom of it, just like that. Okay. Now I'm going to get these 2 knives right here. I'll turn out the light. Well, actually, let's... Okay, we'll do it once with the light on and then off. This is the light on. Now let's hit the light. And... Okay, so I know y'all have noted that I'm using this coil. So this coil is wound to either a quarter or a half wavelength, I forget which one I did, of the frequency of this diathermy machine. This diathermy machine produces a frequency or electricity that is tuned to a frequency of 29 megacycles. And this is our wave guide right here, basically. So without the coil, this is what our sparks look like. Now if we factor in the coil, let's connect the bottom of this coil right here to that cauterizing terminal. Back it up. Put that right like that. Let's turn out the light. Now I'll show y'all something most interesting. Without this coil, let's remove this coil. I will take this. I have this 8-foot long fluorescent light bulb. This is not going to show very well because It's so tall, but it's touching the floor and everything. Here, let me twirl it around and not hit anything into it. Okay, there's our light bulb. Now, without the coil, this doesn't light at all. We have done. Now, I will put the coil on and observe the most interesting effect. Let's put it on there. Can you please get on there? Can you? Okay, well, this is not. There we go, I think I got it. Okay, I've got it. Now, we're going to take it, and just to light this, I'll use this knife. Oh, sorry, anyway, there that is. Okay, and concluding the experiments for tonight, or for this evening, I will connect this waveguide, basically, to this cauterizing terminal on our diaphragm machine. Here's the friend. Okay, so here I have a candle. Let's do this with the lights on. There's our candle, but even though it lit this candle, I can still do this.